YouTube, Dr. Yvette here. Welcome back to my channel. Okay, we are about to update this corner. As you know, I had some dianthus that was there and they didn't do so well because they get direct sunlight. And so they actually burned up, so much so that they just broke off out of the ground. I didn't even have to pull up the dirt. And so I decided that I am going to do all shrubs in this area and just a little bit of color every now and again, where I just plant a few annuals, like maybe 3 or 4, just so that there'll be a pop of color in that corner when the crepe myrtle is not blooming. But I hope you enjoyed this video. I just wanted to show you how I updated this one garden bed in the corner, and that it was necessary because I had dianthus there that supposedly was full sun, but here this corner of the house gets sun all day. So full sun, 12 hours of the sun being up, it was getting sun. So I pulled it up and I started over. So hopefully the shrubs will do much better in this area. Thanks for watching. Here I'm working diligently to get the dirt around this shrub. I don't know why I'm having such a hard time, but also not just trying to get the dirt around it, but I also try to make sure that the shrub is upright so that as it grows, it's not going to be leaning. And so I take a little bit of time to work with the shrubs just to make sure I have them placed properly, centered in the hole, that I have enough dirt and cow manure to nourish it, and that it's not leaning. So stick with me. Here I'm changing location, and what I have on this piece of board there is the dirt from the hole mixed with cow manure, because someone at the garden center told me that putting 1.5 inches of cow manure in the bottom of the hole helps with helping the plant stabilize and grow. I just believed them and did it. And then here, it was a little too hot in this corner. See what I mean by full sun? That's actually what burnt up the plants that were planted there. So my husband went and got our beach umbrella to put it up so that he and I wouldn't get too hot and over exhausted while we were planting in this corner. Okay, here I am coming back. It is a new day. As you can see, it's morning. No, actually, it's afternoon because the sun is setting in the west. But I came out to finish up what we started. Here I am going to do some sheet mulching just because our grass is the crawling Bermuda grass and it will crawl right into this bed. So to kind of help that, I'm going to sheet mulch a little bit just to kind of help control the grass and the weeds. And then we will get the mulch down, and then in the end you'll see how beautiful this area looks. Well, it's beautiful to me. Everything's beautiful to me. I'm a new gardener, and I just love the way things are turning out. Thanks for watching. Okay, as you can see, I am on the run, and I had to go and actually stop the camera because I am getting away from that frog who takes over the bed, and I just let him have it. He actually is the same color as the mulch, and I never see him, but My husband's fond of him, so we have given him a name and he hangs out there. I don't bother him and he doesn't bother me, but my husband does. And we have given him a cute name, so stay tuned to see what we've named him. Okay, it really doesn't take anyone this long to wet the cardboard for the sheet mulching, but I'm actually watering the plants in while I'm doing that. So that's what's really taking me so long. I'm not spending that time just to wet the cardboard. I really am watering the plants there and around that area.